Hi friends, give me a minute, I'll be with you. Okay, we are good. Hi friends, hope you're doing good. Welcome. I have with me here a yoga mat or a workout mat which I'll be using for jumping rope today. And the topic of the video is jump rope mats. Whenever we are looking for a mat specifically for jump rope, or if you can call it a jump rope mat, that exercise can be pretty confusing and at times very frustrating. There are many questions all of us have. Can we use a yoga mat for jump rope, or should we go for a dedicated jump rope mat? I've actually made a video of when we can use yoga mat for jumping rope and a dedicated exclusive jump rope mat. I'll link that video somewhere here. In case you're interested, you can check it out. The reason I said the exercise of looking for a good jump rope mat is confusing and at times frustrating is there aren't many good jump rope mats out there. For example, there are very good jump rope mats like cross rope jump rope mats, which I have used for quite many years now. The first jump rope mat I bought from Cross Rope was the rectangular old jump rope mat, which is still in a very good condition as of today in 2025, 5 years since I bought it. Other than that, I have the oval jump rope mat and the smaller travel mat. I'll put pictures of those mats in the screen. But the problem with those mats is they are pretty pricey. But my justification for having bought this, they have lasted for a very long time and they have taken a lot of beating from heavy jump ropes, from the minimum quarter pound up to the maximum weight I have of 3 pound cross rope jump ropes. If a mat can take beatings from a cross rope jump rope, it is a good mat. But not everybody can buy that. So what are the other options available? This is actually a mat which I bought in a mall. In fact, it was piled up near the checkout counter. And the price I think was 800 rupees if I remember right. I bought it about 2-3 years back and I'm pretty happy with it. That's why I thought I will talk about it in today's video. This is the mat lying flat on the ground, nice and flush, without the ends curling up, which is another big irritation with many mats. Do you agree? Now let's take a closer look at the mat, specifically the underside of the mat. If you notice, the underside is pretty rough. It's got these small protrusions. What this does is gives the mat a solid grip on most of the surfaces. If the mat doesn't grip the ground well, you know what happens. It slips all over the place when we jump, which is a big irritation. The second point is the thickness of this mat. This is around 8 millimeters thick, I think, and it's got the right level of softness, which is great for barefoot jumping. Now let's do some jumps on this mat. Why not start with some double unders? Ready? Here we go. Feels good for the double unders. Now let's go for some other moves. Join me for the jumps. So friends, you saw, if you're looking for a mat which you want to use for the purpose of jump rope, options are available. I would recommend that you go and look for a mat and buy it, touch and feel it before buying it rather than going online. The reason being, a few things which we spoke. Let me give a recap. Check for the bottom surface of the mat. If it's got a rough surface, it's got a grippy surface, very good, go for it. Second thing is, look for the thickness of the mat. I would say that at least 8 millimeters is a good thickness for a jump rope mat. If it's got 8 millimeter thickness and it's kind of soft, we can enjoy our barefoot jumps also. I really enjoy doing barefoot jumps on this mat. Before we end the video, let me turn the camera and show you the view I have from my terrace. Do you see these mangoes? All I have to do is just extend my hand and pluck them. Lucky, right? In fact, this mango tree was planted by my mom many years back, and it's been giving fruit for quite some time now. Fantastic mangoes. Recently I plucked a few, and mom has made a pickle, 2 types of pickles. One spicy pickle and one where jaggery is mixed and a sweet pickle. I wish I could send these pickles, a sample of it, through YouTube to all of you friends, but what to do, can't do it. So I hope you found this video useful. Do leave your questions, comments, feedback. That's why I was sweeping the floor at the beginning of the video. Okay, so in case you have any questions, comments and feedback, please do leave it in the comment section. It's always a pleasure to read and reply to your comments. Till I see you in the next video. Enjoy your jumps. Stay safe, take care, and bye-bye.